Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable this function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. OK Google. Now we know it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers with a high of 60 and a low of 49.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.